Gentlemen, here we are creating a website on Blogger. So Blogger is a free hosting plan which is offered by the Google. If you don't know about the Blogger, then I tell you that this is a free plan where you can make unlimited website. Means I think I have heard that on one hosting of Blogger you can create 60 website. And the benefit of the Blogger is that you can create your website and there is no chance of your hacking and cracking, which is generally you see in WordPress. I'm not saying that Blogger is the more superior than WordPress, because Blogger is limited, but security is tight. But as for WordPress is concerned, it is highly abroad. You are the you have the more choice to do anything. So I recommended that you should use WordPress if you are if you want to take more and more features. Then you should use WordPress. Otherwise, if you are seeking that only the limited website, and if you are not very fit as far security is concerned, then this Blogger is best. I'm not saying that you cannot make a secure a website on WordPress. If you are using the best plugin Norton Security, then you can also make your website highly securable on WordPress. But here I am considering Blogger. One thing you should know, that if you are using the I am showing you, if you are using the 1 minute, if you are if you are using the hosting, then you should take SiteGround hosting, because this is the one of the best hosting, and much more person, means high person, a numbers of the persons use such kinds of the hosting. So I want to show you something. Just wait. One minute, friends. I am searching my website where I show about something. About SiteGround. Sarkari. Okay, so this is the my website, and I want to show that why I recommend the SiteGround. I have also used SiteGround plan for 2 years. In my next video I will show you that how you can make it better. As far website is concerned in WordPress, then you must use SiteGround. So this is the official website of the SiteGround. Net is slow. The main problem is net is slow. So just wait. Yes, this is the SiteGround plan. So here you are seeing that you can use this plan 3.95 dollar per month. Just check in this plan, and if you feel that this is working better, then you should you can take this plan as a yearly plan. And this is the regular, means if first time if you are using this plan, then you have to pay $3.95, and after 1 month you have to, if you continue this plan, then you have to pay this. So I think that you should take it. It is the one of the best. It is highly better than GoDaddy and Namecheap, Bluehost. One of the best. You can check yourself. Speed is outstanding, and you see that here is the some features. if I look here, the free WP install, as you are seeing, WP automatic and WP migrator and much more things are given. The 10 GB space and one website in this features, and here is the unlimited website in this Grow Big plan, and this is the Go Geek plan. There is a 3 plans. So I click, mostly people use this plan. I have also used this plan, and I have also taken the some more benefit. Here I have the proceed. You can also register a domain. You can skip this by just uncheck this, and you register a new domain. You can here, just here, and proceed. Okay, he is saying that please enter your domain if you are already a domain. So here you have to enter that domain which you have already. So in this way you can take the your plans, and I recommend you that use 2 or 3 years plans first time, because this will be beneficial. When you are using the 2 years plan, then okay, I'll show you. Then in 2 years plan you have to pay $142. I think this must be, because I have paid this. So I am clicking here technology. You hear the technology, data center, hosting, web hosting, WordPress. You are seeing the WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, and cloud hosting. So cloud hosting is also available. When I'm clicking this, the hosting. So cloud hosting is generally costly, as for share hosting is considered. I think this is the $89 per month, and you can also pick up the yearly plan. So here is the manage the cloud hosting. As you can see there, entry level this is the $80 per month, 2 CPU cores, 4 GB memory, 40 GB SSD space. You should know that the SiteGround give SSD space, and due to the SSD space, the website which flow on this hosting runs better. And 5 TB data transfer and 3 CPU cores, 6 GB memory in these plans, business plans, at $120 per MO. MO means month. Don't think that this is the only it provides only the monthly plan. When you are going to get plan, when you will click on the get plan, then on that time you have to give a choice that whether you are choosing the yearly plan or monthly plan or what. So I think that you should use 2 years plan or 3 years plan, so that you could get some benefit. So this is the business plus. I think this is the $160 MO. So cloud hosting is the best in comparison to the share hosting, but you should start with, if you are the beginner, you should start with the share hosting, which I have taken. Means I have taken 142. I have paid $142 for 2 years. But when after 2 years, when I am going for the renewal, then I have to pay $300 something dollar, and this is the superpower, $240 per month, 8 CPU cores, 10 GB memory, 120 GB SSD space, 5 TB data transfer. Just click on the get plans. The same things here: email, password, confirm password, and so on. Clients information, country, first name, last name, company, VAT, phone, zip, street, वगैरह. So yeah, all these things you have to filled, and your card details, card expiring, वगैरह, and etc. So this is the thing you have to fill, and after fulfilling the cloud, you can check the you can take the plans. Here you are seeing that $240 MO plus free setup, and finally you have to click on the pay now, and your plan is activated, and a email will be sent on your mobile or your Gmail box. So this is about the SiteGround. So I come back on my blogging, since I am discussing that how can we make a health website on our blogging hosting. So when you comes here by choosing these three dots and clicking on the blogger, when you comes on this page, this is the drop menu. If you are seeing in the screen, okay, I show you. This is the drop menu. So on this drop menu, when you click, so a lot of the things you will find. There's create on the new blog here, and we new blogs, just type anything. So it is showing that sorry, this blog address is not available, means healthblogspot.com is not available. So I am taking health 123. This blog address is invalid because I have put the some dot. So I am 1 2 3 4. Okay, it is not taking. I just removed whole. Health mission. Oh, okay, this is not available also. I choose something another. Health again, health 123. I click on here. Sorry, this blog address is not available, means this all these domains which is the subdomain are taken already. So health 983, this must be okay. This is not available also. Wow. Health 198319, this must be available. Okay, this is the available. So this is the available, and just click on the create blog. You can also choose the theme from here, but we will not use any kind of the theme from here. Okay, here Google is saying that find a domain name for your vlog and connect it instantly. So you can choose your top level domain from here, but since we are using the subdomain, I click on the no thanks. You can also use the GoDaddy and some other plans. Just to remove it. So when you click on the view blog, here is the view. This is the view blog. When you will click here, you will move on your website. So click on here, and this is your website, My Health. I have the put the title My Health, which is showing here. This is the My Health. This is the title which I have put. So you can change your title. This is your choice. So this is your website, which is finally pure blank. No theme is installed. So we will beautify it. So now we come on the our hosting, which is Blogger. So we come on the hosting, which is the Blogger. So firstly, we will move on the themes. As you seeing in the screen, this is the theme. This is the theme. We will click here and we will install a theme. Okay. So as you are seeing here, this is the backup store. So a XML file we will upload by clicking here. If you are click here, sorry. If you are click here, then you will reach on this screen where a pop-up will come, and if you click on the choose file, when I hover here, then as you are seeing that there is a color is changing. So on this place you have to click and upload the file. So since I have the no XML file, means I have the no theme for upload, so we will upload the theme. So sorry, download the theme from the net. Just type here Sora template, Sora Blogger, Sora Blogger template. So just click here, high quality free Blogger template. It is opening. Friends, making a video for a long time, it was a okay, I have opened this, and as you are seeing www.soratemplates.com, here is the website. So I will download. Okay, you can download anything, Bookspot, Sensi, Lexel, EMIA. Okay, here is the option that you can click here, then more choice will come. If you want to make the movie website, then you can use here. So I click on one and download the EMIA. Click here. So if when you are clicking here, you will find the two things. That this is the EMIA website, and this is the front look of it, and you can use it as a free version, and this is the premium version. Premium version means nothing but is paid version. So you can download now as a free, but in free you will not remove footer credits and one-time payment, no encrypted script. So these features is not available in free version. Lifetime premium support you will not get. You will not get for unlimited domains. So such a kinds of the features you will not find in free case, and lifetime templates update you will not find in free case. But when you are using the premium version, so this is the premium version. So when you are using the premium version, which is $9.95, so you will find remove footer credits, one time payment, means you have to not payment many times. If you are making payment one time, then you can use it for unlimited website. No encrypted script, lifetime premium support you will find when you are using premium version, and you can use it for unlimited domains. And if you are using the premium version, then you will get a lifetime template updates, because template updates is very necessary in order to meet shortcomings in your website, because there are so times of the virus and many things are. So in order to meet that, you have to need to update your template time to time. So you can use this. If you are the pro blogger, then you should use premium version. And by the way, you can also use the free version, no problem, it's your choice. So I just download, just click on the download free version. I am using free version, no problem, everything is free, hosting is free, subdomain is free, and finally theme is also free. So free. So this is the things opening. So I come again. So finally this EMEA free version, sorry, this EMEA free version zip have following things, means you can find these things, and so many things in this zip, means there are so many files in this zip are available. So but the important things is this is the XML file which will be used to upload in your website. Means in order to make your website, this XML file you have to upload on here. You have to upload, yes, you have to upload that file here. So I come here, click on the download. When you have clicked the download, yes, we come here. Since we are using the Opera, it's a download, so in upper place, so this is the place, yes, download completed. Click on this icon. I have already used many types of the themes. This, as you are seeing that I have already EMEA free version, I have already downloaded, but since I want to show you that how you will download the themes and how you will use that, so I have opened this. So in order to use the theme, you have to extract. Just right click on the extract here. Okay. Okay, I open it some another place. Means in new folder. Firstly I come new folder, new folder, template, Sora template. Just click here, paste. I am using the window 10 and I want to show it in bigger format, so I will click on the view and click on the extra large icon. Large icon. So large icon is good. When you will click on, if you are using the window 10, then you should click on the views, which is on the upper. I will show you here. This is the view. When you click here, you will get many options like large icons. Okay, I will show you like large icons, extra large icon, small icon. So you will get many things, list, content, and many things. So you will click here, large icons. Okay. So just right click and extract here. So you are seeing that so many files is available. Now the most usable file is this. So this is the XML file which is used by us. So I will come here and choose file. Windows C, users, downloads. Okay, Sora template. Now EMEA free version. This is the, I think you should see that this is the thing, EMEA free version. EMEA free version. Second item from above, XML document which is written here. So you have to use that. Click here, open. Now EMEA free version.xml is available. Custom things. Okay, now click on upload. Okay, as you are seeing, this is the effect. This is the power of the theme. As soon as I uploaded the theme, you are seeing the views is changed. So if you want to see the view your website now, this is the your earlier website, and if you click here view blog, then this is the your latest website. This is totally blank, but it is looking better than this. This is EMEA theme website, and this is blank. So here as you are seeing that menu items is here. You can change this menu, no problem. Here is your hologram, and here is again some menus in header menus, upper header menus. Here is ads, recent post. This is the footer, and this is the okay, footer credit. Obviously you are using the free version, that's why this is the footer credit is given. If you will use the pro version, means premium version, then this credit will be removed. So this is the, if you refresh this, then you will find that this will also change. Yeah, this is slide looking very this is the edit HTML, this is the customize, but we will not customize here. And this is the post okay, I'll show you. This is the post where you can create many types of the post. Here sorry, in this place you can see your stats, means this is the stats. You will see the all comments. You can add Google AdSense from here. So many types of the pages you can create by clicking on pages. You can adjust your layout by clicking on the layout. And recently we are on the themes, means the scene you are seeing on this page, because we are on the themes. You can customize your theme by setting, means you can adjust your theme by clicking on the setting, and this is practically not very usable. So we will see one by one. Firstly we will see the setting. What is the setting? So I think you have heard about the backlinks, do follow backlinks, no follow backlinks, guest post, referral link, and there are so many types of the links. So, and you have also heard about the on page SEO, off page SEO, black hat SEO, white hat SEO, so many types of the SEO. So you will create, I am not going I am not going to explain about the black hat, white hat, and so on. So I am just creating about the some SEO which you will do for your website from here. Just click on setting. Before creating the post and page and adjusting your menu, you have to, it is very necessary that you should adjust your means blog by clicking on the setting, and in setting there is the option of the basic. So you can change your title. My title is here the my title is health. This is the, as you are seeing, this is the my title, this is the title. You can all change it by clicking on the here. So I will show you. Just click here, sorry. click here, just delete health power. You can write anything. When you'll save, here is saving. Internet is slow. That is the problem. So when you click here and just a fan, very slow speed. Okay, we will see some another section. So okay, settings. Okay, settings has been changed. As you are seeing that here is the health power. This is the my title now. Earlier was my health. Now the my title is health power. So I will show you. Okay, just wait. Okay. Here the title is not showing because I have changed the theme, but as you are seeing here, when you hover this cursor on this place, then you will see that health power is comes on a written. Look here, this is the cursor. As you are seeing, this is my cursor, and when I hover this, look here, health power, not my health. Earlier was my health, but recently is health power. So that is the another things. Here is the description. As you are seeing, this is the description, and this is the edit. So this description is very important. You should write a very good SEO friendly description of 500 characters. As you are seeing, this description is for 500 characters, means maximum character is 500. So you should write 500 description, 500 characters description, and this must be SEO friendly. I am just writing it because I am showing you as a demo, but you should not write like this. You have to write 500 best means I will show you. Since you are making a health website, health, so you will click here. Just scroll down, and what is the good health? You can also use such a kinds of the things. Okay, just wait. What is it? Okay, copy, open your notepad, just delete, Control V. Okay, such kinds of the you can also use, but I am showing you just a demo. I am not saying that this is the only things. This may or may not be good for your description. I am just showing you. So backspace, if you will click on the backspace, then this will be like this. Sorry, backspace. I am just using the backspace and some space. Now Control A in order to select all this, and Control C to copy. Come or in your hosting and paste here. I am just removing this. and paste that. So such a kinds of the description you have to write, and after writing you have to click on the save changes. This is the save changes. You have to click on this. So privacy, okay, just leave it. Blog address, just leave it. And this is the setup a third party URL for your blog. This is the important. Look here, this is the third party. Okay, set up a third party URL for your blog. When you will click here, then you have to add your top level domain, just like for example healthpower1983.com. So such kinds of the website you have to take in, means domain you have to take in and add in your bloggers. Recently I am just showing you because I have no top level domain. I am just showing you. So you will click here, add your domain without HTTP, because HTTP is already here. So you will click here and adding some CNAME in your GoDaddy. If you are using the GoDaddy for your domain, then you can you have to add some CNAME. You can do this. I will make a video for adding your third party domain so that you could do all the things professionally. So recently I am cancelling this. You can also buy a domain. Here is also you are seeing this is the choice, buy a domain. So this complete our basic section. Now we'll come post, comment and sharing. So here you can allot your the number of the post, how many types of the post you can want to show, you can show here. So and this is the who can comment. So I think only more members of this blog use. I think anyone will be better. So here you should make anyone. And comment moderation, I think never, because you are creating a blog and you are in the initial position, means you are a beginner, your website is in the beginning form. So all the things must came when your website gets some popularity and some visitor comes daily to daily, means 500 1000 visitor if are coming daily to daily, then you should filter it by comment moderation by clicking on sometimes or always. Rest is good. So here you can show your post up to 10 will be good, or 10 9 8 and 7 will be best, but you can also use the 10, because when you are using 10 post it looks better, and there is no problem of the loading time. Many people say that you should use 7 post because there is a loading problem, but I don't think, because you actually the Blogger is the best hosting, and it's this product is from Google, and so Google will never gives any kinds of the bad products to their users. So I think it's will be better. So 10. So after choosing this, just click here save. And email, you can change your email. Here is a sarkari result, news etc. You can change your email, comment, notification, change your email if you wish. Language and formatting. You can choose the language. This is your choice. There are so many types of the language available. Any language you can choose, but English United Kingdom is good. Don't change it. Search preference. Time zone, you can change your time zone. Means in my case I leave it GMT minus 0.00 Pacific time, which is this. So this is good in my case. You can choose as per your country. Search preference, this is the important. When you are search preference, this is the meta tag. So meta tag description, if you are not seeing, I will show you. This is the meta tag, and this is the by default disabled. You have to enable it, and you have to write some important keyword related with your website. For example, your website is health, so you will write some 150 character in your meta tag description. So in order to enable this, you will click on edit, click on yes, and click on here, and as you are seeing, you have to write 150 character max. So for example, since I am showing you demo, so I will use this notepad. And I will some part of this. Meta tag is very important as far as SEO is concerned. Click on the paste. So this is the my this is the my meta tag description. Just click on the save change, and you are seeing that your meta tag description is now enabled. So this is the custom page not found, custom readers, just leave it. Now we are talking about the Google Search Console. How you will enable this? Just click on the edit. Net is slow. Just wait. Friends, net is slow. You are saying it is not opening. Okay, this is guy. It is saying that verify that it is you. Next. This is the problem. I forget my password. Okay, just wait. I have to. I write it. Just wait, friends. Actually, there I works a lot, and there are the numbers of the password, and I forget it. So I have written somewhere. Okay. So the password is okay, the password. Okay, password I can't tell you. but I will write here. Okay, next, don't tell your password to anyone because time is very bad. This is your money. Think that this is your money and you have to not tell anything. And in order to save your account, you have to use third party safety, which is called 2FA. Means 2FA means two factor authorization. Two factor authorization, you use your mobile number to authorize your account. Means if anyone want to hack your website, then or your account, then he will be hardly be able to hack your account, because you protected your account by a 2FA, which is called two factor authorization, by your mobile number. So a OTP will become on your mobile, so hackers will be not able to hack your account. So for security purpose, you must use two factor authorization. You can do this in Google. There is a option. You will click on the Google, then you will find it. So I am not going to tell you. If you want to know about that, then please comment us and I will tell you. So here I am telling you the Google Search Console, that how can you list your website in Google Search Console. The earlier name was Google Search Console was Webmaster Tool, but now it is known as a Google Search Console. So copy your website URL, go to Webmaster Tool and paste here. Just click on the continue. After pasting, you will see that this is the continue. So you have to click here. Click here, continue, wait some time. Okay, I am trying this here, continue. Okay, you can do this. Ownership auto verified verification method, affiliate product. To avoid losing verification, you may want to add multiple verification method from the setting ownership verification. So you can also click on the done, or this is the done method and this is the go to property. So you can click any of them. This is your choice, but I will click on go to property because I want to show the dashboard of the Google Search Console. So when you will click on the go to the property, then you will come on a new dashboard of the Google Search Console, and this is the dashboard. But you will not see anything because neither you have created any post and you have just submitted your website recently, so nothing will be so in overview. Okay, know everything. This is the overview. Oh sorry, this is the overview, and this is the drop menu where you can find your all website that you have listed in your Google Search Console. And for one account, for one Google account, there is only one Google Search Console. Remember this, for only one Google account, that is the Gmail account, there is the only one Google Search Console. This is the same thing that for only one Google account, there is only one Google AdSense. Similarly, for only one Google account, there is only one Google Search Console. So becomes some other places. So this is the overview of Google Search Console performance. You will see the all performance, URL infection, coverage, sitemaps, removals, speed experimental, and links, and finally this is the setting. The setting is given in the last. So these are the useful things, and you will use it when you will list your post in your Google. You can also index. One thing, note that you can index your okay, you can index your post manually also, because very few people know that post is also indexed by manually. I will tell everything later by later. So that things is not the part of our subject, because I am telling you just creating a website, because neither we have created full website, and not nor I have made any kind of the post. So recently just leave it. So when you scroll down, okay, I will come here. So this is the settings, setting things here. This is the important things. This is the setting. So when you click here, ownership verification, you are a owner, everything is a user, and permission, trending, changing of the ways, and much more things are given. Indexing color, okay, comes here, got it. So recently we leave this, but there is a much use of this setting. If you are using many types of the website, and if you want to add them in Google Search Console, then you have to use setting. So so we add our sitemap. So this is the sitemap. We will click here, sitemaps. So this it will take your website URL automatically. You have to enter the sitemap dot, means you have to enter here only site map dot xml. When you will click here, your sitemap is submitted. Just click on the submit. As you are seeing that it is written sitemap submitted successfully. Google will periodically process it and look for the changes. You will be notified if anything goes wrong, and why so many things are done. Okay, so your sitemap is submitted, and there is the error. So this is the way. I am not going to solve that error, but when you do this, then it will be written as success. It will be written as a success. Okay, apply one times more. Sitemap dot xml. Submit. Okay, this is the way of the submitting your sitemap. I think it will take some times. So in this way you can submit your sitemap. So if you want to add your another website, then you will click this drop menu and click on add property, and you will add your URL here or here, and click on the continue, and the same things, repeat the same things. And after some days, when your post is ranked in Google by automatically, if you want to index your post manually, then you can also do it. And if you don't know all these things, then please comment us or email us, then I will reply you. So this was the Google Search Console. So in this way you can list your website in Google Search Console. This is the now becomes customrobots.txt. This is the disabled by default. This is the custom robots txt, which is by default disabled. We will enable it, and below it there is the custom robots header tags. This is also disabled by default. We will also enable it. So how will we do this? We will see it later. Later means not too much later, just now. So just click on the edit, click on yes, and you have to paste something here. So how will paste that things? So just copy from here robots.txt. Just look at how I am doing. Copy. Now go to your website. This is your website, and here is the header, means header bar, where URL is okay. This is your URL. So just click here and make a forward slash. Remember it, I am just, this is the forward slash, and control V means paste. And after pasting, you will see that a robot.txt comes automatically. Now you have to click on the enter button, which from your keyboard. Remember, enter, ENTER, clicked. So this is the things that you have to paste there. So copy this. How will copy? Like this. You can also do copy like this, and if you want to copy in one time, then select it by Control A. So it is selected. Now Control C, it is copied. Now comes on the Blogger and paste it here. Paste it here. Now everything is pasted. Just click on here, save changes. Save changes. Now you are seeing that custom robot txt is enabled. This is enabled. Earlier was disabled. Now we will enable custom robots header tags. Just click on edit, click on yes, and here, okay, under the home page, click on all, no DP, scroll down, active and search pages, all, no DP, default for the post and pages, all, no DP, save changes. Now this is also enabled, means both is enabled. So Google Search Console, robot.txt, custom robots, header tags, everything is enabled. So all this option comes in setting, and in setting when you will click on the search preference, which is here, then you will find all these options. These things you should remember every time if you are creating a website on Blogger hosting. I am just teaching you in a very relaxed way. I am not in a hard and fast way. So the next option is other. As you are seeing, this is the other option, and below it there is a user setting. Other option below it is a user setting. So we will discuss a little bit on other. Click on other. So one thing I forget to tell you, that there is an option of the monetization. So your and by default it is disabled. So you have to enable your monetization. Monetization is nothing but your Google AdSense monetization. When you write at least 15 to 20 posts, and after the 15 to 20 posts, when 100 visitor, minimum 100 visitor, and maximum it should be as much as, there is no limitation, but minimum visitor must be 100. So when daily visitor comes 100, then you should apply for the Google AdSense for monetize your website, so that you could get approval easily. But before the monetization, you have to write some 20 posts of, and one post at least must be 300 words, at least 300 words, and if it is 2000 3000 words, then it is also better, because if your post have the long words, means 2000 or 3000 words, then it is easily ranked in Google. So you have to before applying for the monetization in Google AdSense, you have to also create some privacy policy page, contact us page, disclaimer page on your website, so that these are the mandatory pages you have to create on your website for in order to take the Google AdSense approval. I will tell you everything. So now you will click on the other part. So if you click the other, you can import your content, means whatever you have created in your blog, you can import from here. And you can delete this blog also, means you can delete your website from your hosting. And you can add Google Analytic view property. So you can add Google Analytic. And if you will use the Google Analytic, then you will find the stats of your website. So in order to use the Google Analytic, you have to click here and put the ID here. I will tell you next time. You have to just put the code here and click on the save button, which is above. So maybe I am clicking user setting. So this is the good. So now the setting part is over. There is nothing to left you in setting part. Theme is already discussed. If you click on the theme and click on the edit HTML, this is the edit HTML. This is the edit HTML. So here if you will click, then you will find a lot of the codes. So you can put any kinds of the affiliate products or Google AdSense code here under the head tag or above the head tag, under the close head tag. As you are seeing, this is I will show you. This is the head, this is the head. So you have to put all the your AdSense code, Google AdSense code for your monetization. If you are going to apply the monetization in Google AdSense, then you will find a code. So you have to apply put that code on this head tag, above the head tag, and click on the save themes. So I tell you everything. Okay, the noise of the cracking, as you are hearing, because there is a marriage nearby to my house, so that's why you are listening. Now this is the layout. So friends, here is the layout. Okay, layout is not opening. Why? Okay, layout is opened, and you can design your website by here. Oh, this is the right widget bar. This is the right widget bar. Okay, you can add anything by clicking on this pen icon. So anything if you want to edit in your right sidebar widget or main post, then you have to click on this pen icon. Everywhere pen icon is made, you will click, means this is not a pen icon, this is a edit button. I will show you. Okay, for example, if I click on this pen icon, then you will get a pop-up, and you can edit whatever you like as per need your website. Website is slow, sorry, net is slow, that is here is the pop-up comes. So you can put the title and put the code, anything that you want, and finally you have to click on the save button. So recently I am clicking on the cancel because I am not applying any kinds of the code here. So I am just, it comes friends, because now the time is my dinner, so I comes a little bit after some time. So I resume this video and I will come very shortly. So I resume it. You will know that I have taken the meals because the energy of the sound will be different at that time. So I pause it. So finally friends, I have taken my dinner. Now I am ready to continue my video, but the problem is that then in my nearby there is a marriage, so the people are making the sound, means making the music very hard, and in YouTube music is not allowed because there is the problems of the copyright content. So that's why I mute the my mic for sometimes, and but you will see
the some working uh, about the post and other things. So till then, I mute, but you should continue see the video because music will not come. Sorry, means voice is not come.